Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Totoro. He's this really cute character from anime. So I've already gone ahead and done one. This is my sketch of Totoro, and I've colored him in so you can get an idea of what he'll look like when he's all finished. All right, so go ahead, grab a pencil, a piece of paper, an eraser, and we'll get started. I'm going to clear off my pages and we can begin. All right, so we're going to start off with his body shape. He's got this nice rounded shape. It kind of reminds me of a gumdrop. So it's a little bit smaller on the top and a little bit wider on the bottom. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to start off with a nice rounded top. Looks like an upside down smiley face or a wide rainbow. And then for the body, I'm gonna go out a little bit and back in. Okay, now that shape seems a little off to me, so I'm gonna do it a little bit more carefully. I'm gonna turn my paper so that I can get my hand more comfortable, and then I can draw that shape. All right, so kind of looks like a gumdrop. It's got round on the top, bigger round on the bottom, but that's pretty much his body shape. So next we're going to go ahead and we're going to add his ears. So on the top part of the head, I'm going to go onto the left side and I'm going to make 1, 2 little lines going up. And on top of those lines, I'm going to put a triangle. So I'm going to put a line across, a line up and back down. So I made a triangle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this part of the line. So I'm going to grab my eraser tool and I'm going to erase that part of the triangle line that went inside of my 2 lines. So that way I can get this cool arrow shape. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. He's got 2 little ears. So I'm going to find the left side, top of the head. I'm going to make 1, 2 lines going up. I'm going to put a triangle on top of those lines. And then I'm going to go in with my eraser and I'm going to erase that part of the triangle that was inside my lines. Okay. So now I've got his body and his ears. For his arms kind of come off the side of him, and we will have to do some erasing of the body. But his arms, we're going to start right here at the left side. It's going to curve down and in. And then on this side, I'm going to come down a little bit. I'm going to make a diagonal curve and then a smiley face underneath to the side. Okay, I'm going to erase this line now. I don't want that anymore. I need it to look like it's no longer there. So I'm going to grab my eraser and I'm going to erase the body line that's inside of my arm. I want that to go away. Okay. So now you see when I erase those lines, it starts to make the overall shape much different. So we're going to continue drawing. Let's add in the belly. So this top little upside, or this rainbow, this is going to be where the head is, right by the ears. And this center part is going to be the belly. So in the center, I want to find the middle and I want to put a little dot right at the top of his belly. I'm going to use this dot to help me make his belly shape. So he's got a rounded rainbow to the left and a rounded rainbow to the right. Now it's not going to continue through the arm. I'm going to stop when I hit that arm. Then over here on the side, I'm going to continue all the way around till I go back to his arm. So he's got this kind of rounded heart-looking arm. All right, and for his little feet, I'm going to find the center, and I can even find that dot that we started at for his belly and use that to help me. I'm going to put a line down at the bottom, just a small little line. And then to the side of it, I'm going to put a little space. I'm going to make a diagonal line going out to the left. And I'm going to make a diagonal line on the other side with some space going out to the right. This is going to be for his feet. Now his feet have this sort of zigzaggy pattern. So go ahead and start at the point and make zigzags back to that middle line that we drew. Those are going to be his little feet. And then on his belly, he has these upside down V shapes. And he's got 5 of them. So we're going to put 5 of them right there on his belly. And then for his face, I'm going to zoom in right in between the ears in the center. I'm going to make a curve line. And I'm going to make that curve line into an upside down triangle. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can always erase it. I'm not using a pointy tip. I'm using more of a rounded tip. But he's got this sort of oval, triangular nose. Now his eyes are on the sides of his nose. And we're going to make a nice round circle on one side. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Nice round circle on the other side. Inside of that circle, I want you to make another circle. Okay, that's going to be for his eyes and his highlight. All right, we're going to color in the black, the rest of his eye. Actually, you know what? Let me double check that. I'm going to go back to my reference. Let's see. Whoopsies. Bear with me, folks. Oh, he does have white around his eye. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sometimes, you know, it's good to have a reference around. I try to do it without it. Actually, I use a really thin layer. That kind of helps me. Okay, so I'm back to my original. We're going to leave the eye like that. It's going to have white and then more white in the center. Okay, so we're going to leave those eyes alone. I'm going to grab my pencil again. And this time I'm going to make some ovals on the bottom to the side of the eye. So I'm going to make one oval here. And I'm going to make the other oval on the other side of the other eye. Then an oval over here. Okay, and inside the oval, we could put 2 little lines. These will be like little cheeks. All right, now I'm looking at the overall picture. Now's a good time to kind of stop, take a step back, look at your picture, ask yourself, is anything look a little funny that I want to fix? And then now's the time to fix it. So for me, this arm went way too far out. It's way bigger than that side. So I'm just going to adjust it. I'm going to erase that line. I'm going to erase it away. Go away, Mr. Line. I don't want you anymore. I'm going to try again. And then this time, I'm going to make it not as big. Okay, there we go. That seems a lot better. And actually, I'm going to continue this line all the way to his belly. So that looks like he's really got his arm there. It's just kind of hanging out. Once you've got this all done in pencil, I really recommend outlining it with a black pen. Then you'll get this nice crisp outline. And it really does make your art look nice and finished. So I'll show you my original again. Let me take these guys away so you can get some ideas of the colors. So he's mostly gray, white belly, a little gray around the triangles, white eyes, well, black with white around it, and then a little pink on the cheeks. All right, guys, I hope you had fun. Keep doodling, stay safe, and see you next time. Bye, guys.